వెల్కమ్ టు మీ జనతా టీవీ. నేను రషీద్. ఇక వేరేలోకి వెళ్తే
बारिश की बूंदें भले ही छोटी हो, बारिश की बूंदें भले ही छोटी हो, लेकिन उनका लगातार बरसना बड़ी नदियों का बहाव बन जाता है। ऐसे ही हमारे छोटे छोटे प्रयास निश्चित ही जीवन में बड़ा परिवर्तन लाने में सक्षम रहते हैं। इसलिए प्रयास छोटा ही सही, भले ही 16 डायलिसिस से किया हुआ हो, लेकिन लगातार होना चाहिए, जैसे आज पहुंच चुका है 1 मिलियन डायलिसिस पर। नाउ इंट्रोड्यूस टू a person who has got a deep feeling for all the human beings and courage to stand for downtrodden people. Those who value in her have the guiding force which has driven her to take the most difficult of challenging and tasks in the society. A bachelor in commerce diploma in commercial computer practice. Started an NGO called HELP. HELP is health, education, livelihood, and poor, with 2 of other members, with the aim of uplifting the poor rural woman. Shri KCR, our Chief Minister, noticed her hard work, loyalty to party, and popularity amongst all the group in Alir constituency. TRS party tickets was given to her to contest Alir Assembly in 2014, and she won the election with thumping majority. She served as the government whip in Telangana State Assembly from 2014 to 2018. Her sincerity, honesty, and hard work, second time, Shri KCR has appointed her government whip from 2019 and serving as government whip. She quotes, "Will stay away from corruption and hard work to serve the people with utmost respect." Tears in her eyes on the floor of assembly as chief whip of party, our trustees were convinced to set up our first dialysis center outside Hyderabad, and that is in Alir, with 10 beds. And today, let me tell you that all the 10 beds are fully occupied, and even if Srimati Ji Sunita Reddy has to recommend one patient, I think it will be difficult for us to probably accommodate and manage, and she is looking at for expansion of that center. May I request all of you to please join your hands together in welcoming Srimati Sunita Reddy, and request you to please come and address us.
Namaskar to everybody. I feel really I'm honored to be a part of this celebration. And I congratulate everybody here who are supporting this society to serve poor people. But before starting, I want to share my experience. Actually, my area is completely drought area, and of course heavy fluoride content in the groundwater. So due to that, many of the people are affected with kidney problem, kidney failures, or otherwise stones in the kidney, and slowly dialysis patients are getting increased. During that time, when assembly was running, one boy has called me and said that, "Akka, I am dialysis patient of 24 years old. I lost my father, and my mother is facing lot of problems to get the treatment for me, and of course I am traveling thrice in a week to Hyderabad to get the treatment, and I have 3 sisters. I am becoming burden to my mother and to my family. Kindly do something, Akka, to help my family." Really, I felt very bad, and I thought I should do something. That was the incident made me think about the dialysis center. So slowly I was inquiring, and of course in the assembly I was dare enough to take this topic to the Honorable CM sir, and of course at that time our health minister responded very well, and he said, okay, we'll do it shortly. But it was getting late, so I tried to meet our society, and I visited with the help of course I should take his name. He is Mr. Venkateshwar Rao from Secunderabad. He was the member of Rotary Club, and he introduced me to the Parekh Sahab and society members, and I met them at Gurudwara Center, which is at Secunderabad. So when I met them and requested them, of course I went through the hospital, and I spoke to all the patients, and I noticed that everybody is happy with the service of our center. Then I requested our society members to run as a dialysis center at my place. मुझे एक शिकायत भी है. I am very sorry because first they rejected my request, saying that sorry, we can't go beyond GHMC. Then slowly 2-3 times I met. गौतम भाई तो साफ साफ बता दिया, सॉरी भाई बहन, हम नहीं आ सकते, it is too far for us. Then slowly I convinced through इंदर भाई. इंदर भाई बोल रहे थे कि of course I visit Jain Mandir at Kolan Park every month. Then I said, sir इंदर भाई आप आलेर आने के बाद दाएं तरफ मोड़े तो भगवान का मंदिर है, इन फ्यूचर आप बाई तरफ मुड़े तो माधव सेवा का मंदिर रहता, आप कोशिश करिए, आप बात करिए आपके मेंबर से. बोले तो बिकॉज ऑफ हिज एफर्ट्स, एंड ऑफ कोर्स गौतम भाई was also supported us very much, and Parekh sir he also convinced. Thank you very much for running a dialysis center there. With all your support, my people are very happy. Of course 65 patients are getting treated there, and they are very happy. Now they are saying, when I go there, when we were used to go to Hyderabad, it was okay. But when you are getting treatment here, now we have become very healthy, and we are feeling very happy. We are very comfort, because every family is saving 40,000 to 50,000 per month. Per month. That's a big amount. That's a big amount for a poor people, for a BPL people, right? It's a big amount. That's a great achievement, I feel, at Alir. But it's a really big achievement, giving treatment to 1 million. 1 million dialysis. It's a really great achievement. And of course, I appreciate all the trust members, and also, it is not 16, it is 16 plus 16. I add spouse also. It is 16 plus 16. Of course, I noticed that only 16 people are credit of running center, but it is 16 plus 16. All spouses are supporting them. That's why they are able to reach the goal, that 1 million. It's a great achievement. I appreciate you all, and I hope Bhagavan Mahavir will bless us with more and more achievements. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and thanks a lot that
నేను పాషం యాదగిరి జర్నలిస్ట్గా వీక్షకులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను. జనతా తెలుగు టీవీ అది జనానికి సంబంధించింది, జనం నుంచి పుట్టుకొచ్చింది, జనమే జర్నలిస్టుగా పుట్టుకొచ్చింది. ప్రజలను సాధికారులను చేయాలంటే జనతా తెలుగు టీవీని ఆదరించండి, దాన్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
నేను కప్పర్ ప్రసాదరావు, తెలంగాణ జర్నలిస్ట్ యూనియన్ రాష్ట్ర అధ్యక్షుడిని. జనతా టీవీ ప్రజల కోసం వస్తుంది, ప్రజల సమస్యల్ని వెలికితీసి ప్రభుత్వం పైన పోరాడేందుకు ఒక ఆయుధంగా మీ ముందుకు వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి జనతా టీవీని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, జనతా టీవీని ఆదరించండి.
జనతా తెలుగు టీవీ పేరులోనే జనతా అనే పేరు, అది మనందరి ఛానల్. మన వార్తలు ఉంటాయి అందులో, మన గురించి తాపత్రయపడే ఛానల్. అందుకని జనతా టీవీ, మీ జనతా టీవీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి దానికి చూసి మీరు దానికి మరింత వ్యాప్తి చేయాలని అందరినీ ఈ సందర్భంగా కోరుతూ,
భువనగిరిలోనే మొట్టమొదటిసారిగా అధునాతన వైద్య పరికరాలతో ప్రారంభించబడింది వినూత్న ఆర్థోపెడిక్ అండ్ జనరల్ హాస్పిటల్. ఏరియా హాస్పిటల్ వెనుక ఏఎంఆర్ నగర్, భువనగిరి. డాక్టర్ పి రిత్విక్, ఎంఎస్ ఆర్థో గారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో అందించు వైద్య సేవలు. నడుము నొప్పి, మోకాళ్ల నొప్పులు, కీళ్ల నొప్పులు, స్పోర్ట్స్ ఇంజురీస్, విరిగిన ఎముకలకు ఆపరేషన్లు చేయబడును.